How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Greenworks battery charger not working. So there's multiple ways to simply fix this, and I'm about to show you multiple ones in order to do so. So basically, first things first, the thing that you want to do is to quickly troubleshoot the Greenworks battery itself. Now, if it isn't working, you want to do the easiest one first, which is to perform a full reset by unplugging the charger from the wall outlet, remove the battery, wait for at least 60 seconds to drain the circuit board from any electricity at all, and you want to plug it back in. Ensure that the battery clicks securely into place to engage the safety contact. Now in here, I also have some common causes and solution. If you have the blinking red light, it indicates a charging fault, communications issues, or invalid battery. You want to unplug the charger, clean the metal contact points on both the battery and the charger itself with a dry cloth, and try again. If it's a solid red light, it indicates that the battery is either too hot or too cold to charge safely. So you could just go ahead and let the battery rest, try again, and you should be good to go. Now for the deeply discharged battery, if a battery has been sitting dead for a long time, its internal protection system may prevent it from charging. You can sometimes reset it by jump starting the dead battery for at least 10 to 15 seconds using a working Greenworks battery of the same voltage, basically just connecting positive to positive and negative to negative. And for some dead charger, you want to verify your wall outlet works by testing it with another appliance. From there, if the charger is completely dead and has no LED lights at all, its internal fuse may have blown out, so you might want to get simply new one, or you could try replacing the internal fuse yourself. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.